Hey, I'm Brooke. I like to build pretty much tech deck skate parks and stuff, and I like to use my tech deck, do tricks and crap. So, I'm here to show you what I got. Kind of. I kind of suck, though, so go ahead, leave nasty comments. I really don't care. I keep all the comments on there. Really don't care. I suck, and I know I suck, so go ahead. Let's see what I got. Okay. There you go. Well, that's pretty much what I got. So, I pretty much kind of sucked, but, that's pretty much what I got. So, see ya. Leave comments. Subscribe. Please subscribe, because I want a lot of views, even though I kind of suck. But oh well, I don't care. Subscribe.